How to place the glass on the laminating pad? Please take a look at this flat screen. Okay, for example, while you're placing the glass on the laminating pad, we need to make sure this frame is fitting well with this laminating pad. This is to the right side and this is to the left side. Okay, and this is wrong. Do not put the glass on the top of the laminating pad, because in this case, as you could see, we put it in the chamber right here, and you will see that this glass already higher than this chamber. So in this case, when we are closing the door, we will find that the door will hit this glass before the vacuum. So in this case, it will has a lot of bubbles after laminating. So this is very important. So secondly, when we are putting the glass, we have to make sure this area is not too far away from the edge of this place. We cannot hold it like this. Okay. If you are putting the glass on like this and making a big space right here, that means there is no support on this area. In this case, while the airbag comes down, it will keep bending and bending, so until this glass was broken. Okay, so this is the important point for placing the glass. And how about the curved screen? The curved screen, same. Actually, the curved screen is much more easier than the flat screen. We just need to put the glass in the middle of this laminating pad. Okay, for example, you check the right side and the left side. Same, it is in the middle. Just make sure it is in the middle. As we measure, this space is 1 millimeter, and this way has 1 millimeter from the edge of this glass. And if you are looking at this side, just making sure this glass is not holding like this. It's not holding like this or holding like this. Okay, because this way it is same as the flat screen. Extremely the curved screen. We cannot put it like this. Because when we put it in the chamber, this airbag will give high pressure to bend this glass. So maximum we can only put this laminating pad reaching to the cable of the LCD. Like this is okay, but if you're putting more, it's not okay. These points we have to be very careful with that. Okay, and while we are laminating the LCD, we call that the OLED. We can, if you are worrying about that, maybe if you are using high pressure, it might get a chance to break this glass. You can put the glass like this. Just make it upside down and put it like this in the chamber. Okay, this way is perfect also. But if you are putting that glass on the top, then we have to make sure these pieces, this laminating pad, just reaching to the cable and not covering this cable. Okay, if you are using, actually we did a lot of tests. We found that if you are only using the maximum 0.3 MPa, then the pressure is safe for this kind of way. Okay, just reaching the cable is safe by using 0.3 MPa. Okay, this is the glass with frame. Do not put this frame face to the airbag. In this case, because this frame is very sharp and the airbag will give high pressures coming down, this frame will cut it if this frame is facing to this airbag. So we have to put the glass like this, face down.